Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Mind is the vehicle for being attached. If you are attached to somebody, some boy, some girl, some person, generally we become attached to a person. Impersonal attachment is bogus. If you want to be attached, that attachment must be personal. Is it not a fact? Impersonal attachment. You cannot love the sky, but you can love the sun. You can love the moon, you can love the stars, because they are localized persons. And if you want to love the sky, it is very difficult for you. You have to come again to this sun. So, yoga system culminating in perfection in love. So you have to love somebody, person. That is Krishna. Just like here is a picture, Radharani is loving Krishna and offering his flowers to Krishna, and Krishna is playing with his flute. You can think of this picture nicely, always. Then you become constantly in yoga, samadhi. Why impersonal? Why is something void? Void cannot be. If you think something void, there will be something light, something colored, colorful, so many things you will find. But that is also form. How you can avoid form? That is not form. Therefore, why don't you concentrate your mind to the real form? Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, the controller, the Supreme Controller, who has got a body. How? Vigraha. Vigraha means body. And what sort of body? Satchidananda, eternal body. Full of bliss, full of knowledge. That body. Not like body like this. This body is full of ignorance, full of misery, and not eternal. Just opposite. His body is eternal. My body is not eternal. His body is full of bliss. My body is full of misery. Always something troubling me. Headache, toothache, this ache, that ache. Somebody has given me personal trouble. So many. Adhyatik, adhibhautik, severe heat, severe cold, so many things. This body is always under threefold misery, this material body.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.